Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. You reach for your phone. No notifications. No messages. No internet. At first, you think it's just your Wi-Fi. But then you check again. Still nothing. You restart your phone. Nothing changes. Hours pass. And slowly, you realize something terrifying. The internet is gone. Completely gone. In the first few hours, most people don't panic. They assume it's a temporary issue. But behind the scenes, something much bigger is happening. Banks stop processing transactions. Online payments fail. ATMs stop working. Airlines lose communication systems. Flights get delayed, or even cancelled. Because today, almost everything runs on the internet. And without it, the system begins to break. As the first 24 hours pass, confusion turns into fear. People rush to stores. Cash becomes more valuable than ever, because digital money no longer exists in a usable form. Social media is silent. No news updates. No communication across countries. Governments struggle to respond, because even they depend on the same network. And suddenly, the modern world feels fragile. But what could actually cause something like this? One possibility is a massive cyber attack, a coordinated strike targeting global servers and infrastructure. Another possibility comes from space, a powerful solar storm, capable of damaging satellites and electrical systems worldwide. And then, there are the underwater cables, hidden deep beneath the ocean. These cables carry most of the world's internet. If enough of them are damaged, entire continents could go offline. The truth is, the internet is strong, but not invincible. Now imagine life without it. For days, or even weeks. No GPS, no online banking, no instant communication. People would have to adapt quickly. Businesses would shut down. Jobs would disappear. Some people might reconnect with real life, talk more, go outside, slow down. But for many others, it would be chaos, because we've built our entire world on something we can't even see. Fixing the internet wouldn't be easy. It's not one system. It's millions of systems, connected across the globe. Repairing satellites, replacing cables, restarting servers. It could take days, weeks, or even longer. And during that time, the world would feel completely different. So here's something to think about. We depend on the internet for almost everything. But how much do we really understand it? And if it disappears tomorrow, are we ready for a world without it? Because sometimes, the most powerful systems in our lives are the ones we notice the least, until they're gone.